Learning Python programming for beginners involves understanding fundamental concepts and practicing regularly. Here's a structured approach. 1. Understand the basics. Syntax. Learn the core rules of writing Python code, including indentation, comments, and how statements are structured. Variables. Understand how to store and manipulate data using variables of different types: integers, floats, strings, booleans. Operators. Learn about arithmetic, comparison, logical, and assignment operators. Input and output. Discover how to take input from a user and display output to the console using functions like input and print. 2. Control flow. Conditional statements. Master if, elif, and else statements for making decisions in your code. Loops. Learn for and while loops for repetitive tasks, including iterating over sequences. 3. Data structures. Lists. Understand how to create, access, and modify ordered collections of items. Tuples. Learn about immutable ordered collections. Dictionaries. Explore how to store data in key-value pairs. Sets. Discover unordered collections of unique elements. 4. Functions. Defining and calling functions. Learn how to create reusable blocks of code and pass arguments to them. Return values. Understand how functions can return results. 5. Error handling. Exception handling. Learn to use try, except, and finally blocks to gracefully handle errors in your programs. 6. Practice and projects. Solve coding challenges. Jacob ISA Programming Hub offer interactive exercises to solidify your understanding. Build small projects. Apply your knowledge by creating simple applications like a basic games, school record-keeping app, or a student record analyzer to help school individual needs. This helps in understanding how different concepts work together. 7. Resources for learning. Online courses. Jacob ISA Programming Hub offer an online-based education focused on helping beginners learn Python, data science, data analytics, SQL, and AI. We offer structured online courses, hands-on tutoring, mentorship, and a community-driven learning space. Kindly subscribe to this because we offer comprehensive video tutorials for beginners and intermediate. Interactive tutorials. Websites like learnpython.org and FreeCodeCamp provide interactive coding environments. Documentation. Refer to the official Python documentation for in-depth information. Tips for success. Consistency. Dedicate regular time to learning and practicing. Don't rush. Take your time to understand each concept thoroughly before moving on. Experiment. Try out different code variations and observe the results. Seek help. Join our online communities to ask questions and learn from others. Link in the description. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and turn the notification for videos like this. Thank you for watching.